Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King Spray VR online. First, make sure your virtual reality headset and controllers are fully charged and ready to go. Once powered up, launch King Spray VR from your headset's game library. After the game loads, look for the multiplayer menu. This is your gateway to connecting with other artists from around the world, ready to create some amazing virtual graffiti together. Once you are in the multiplayer menu, you have two main options: join an existing room or host your own. If you want to play with friends, you can create a private session and share the unique room code with them. Alternatively, you can enter a friend's code to join their private game. There are also public rooms available, allowing you to connect with new artists instantly. Inside your online session, you will find all the familiar King Spray VR tools, plus the added fun of collaboration. Use the in-game voice chat to communicate with your fellow artists, sharing ideas and feedback in real time. Experiment with the vast selection of spray cans, colors, and stencils. You can work together on one massive mural, or each create your own masterpieces in the same virtual space. To ensure everyone has a fantastic time, remember a few key tips. Always maintain good virtual reality etiquette, respecting other artists' work and personal space. Don't be afraid to explore the many different environments and canvases King Spray VR offers. They can spark new ideas. And critically, always save your amazing collaborative artwork before you decide to leave a session. Happy spraying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.